In this video, I'll show you how to change out the gobos in your effects module. We're going to begin with the effects module already outside of the fixture. For instructions on how to remove the effects module, refer back to our other video on how to remove the effects module. To start off, we're going to be using a 1/8 inch blade. And I'm going to gently place it into the notch here and give it a quick spin. This gets the retaining ring slightly out. Make sure to be working on a flat surface as you're working on the effects module, as once the retaining ring is removed, the gobo will drop out. When reinstalling your new gobo, make sure that the magnet on the carrier matches the index on your sun gear. For example, on this gobo we have the magnet just to the left. If your indexing dot on the sun gear doesn't line up, simply rotate the gobo rotate until it lines up. Now I'm going to flip over the effects module while holding the gobo in place. And all I need to do is simply reinsert the retaining ring. And by following these steps, you've successfully changed out your gobo in your effects module.